If you're running high-ticket Facebook ads and you're using stories and reels, you're probably burning money. And what you're also doing is you're training Facebook to find the wrong people. What's worse is Facebook actually encourages this. So today I'm going to explain why stories and reels specifically quietly kill high-ticket funnels, especially on brand new ad accounts. And here's what you should do instead. So here's the problem. Here's what I see all the time. Brand new account, high ticket offer, VSL funnel. The advertiser turns on Advantage Plus placements, adds the stories, reels, literally everything. And what ends up happening is when you look in the ads manager, clicks look cheap. CTR looks great, but the VSL barely gets watched. Applications are low quality, and hey, sales don't happen. Bad news all around. And then they say, well, high-ticket Facebook ads, meta ads, don't work anymore. That is simply not true. Part of the problem is the placements are wrong. And this happens because stories and reels are built for entertainment. You know, fast scrolling, quick taps, zero thinking, kind of TikTok style, right? High-ticket funnels need the opposite. They need attention. They need time. They need context and very much intent. So when Facebook sees fast taps and low engagement and low watch times, basically learns to find more people like that. And keep in mind, you are training the algorithm to find tappers, not buyers. And tappers are just tap, scroll, right? On a new ad account, well, that's simply deadly. You're going to lose money on this because Facebook doesn't know yet who your real customer or client is. We deal in high ticket and clients are essential high quality clients. Okay, so let's get into it. Here's the fix. So if you're running high ticket VSLs on a new account, start with the Facebook feed and the Instagram feed. And that's it. These placements give you higher intent. They give you longer attention, better positioning, and cleaner data. Ultimately, here's the cool thing. You earn the right to add or test stories and reels later. So separation here. And one more thing, guys, this matters more than placements almost. Tracking. If you're only sending Facebook a basic lead event, so you have a landing page input and the lead event happens, well, you're feeding the algorithm low-end junk mostly. A CPL, a cost per lead, is important, but high-ticket buyers don't look like regular leads. You want Facebook to learn from long VSL watch times, application submissions, qualified calls, and certainly closed sales and payments. Even if taken offline, that can be submitted back to Facebook. And this is where the conversion API matters. The server-side signals tell Meta who actually buys, and that's essential. Facebook stops guessing and start finding real buyers. These are your high-ticket clients that want your services and products. As you know, placements control where your ads show up. Tracking controls who Facebook learns from. If you have weak signals, well, that ruins everything. Strong signals change everything. That's the key here. So make sure that you track and feed the data back to Facebook correctly. Also, if Facebook ads feel random to you, hit subscribe and I will break down what actually works for high-ticket funnels and not just guru theory. We've been doing this for a long time, and if you're already using stories and reels and seeing some success, I'd like to hear from you. Drop a comment below. But most likely I'll tell you whether they're helping or hurting your account. Because ultimately, for a brand new account, a new campaign, a setup for high ticket funnels, do not use stories and reels. Okay? Hope you enjoy this. I love making these for you. And thanks for watching.